Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account that will carry the new picture. Once signed in, open Google Photos on your phone or go to Photos. Google.com. Find the image you intend to use. Search words, albums, or date filters speed this up. Once located, tap or click the image to open it full screen. This gets you into the editing and action menu needed to set the photo. Don't skip finding the final, high-resolution file first. Once the photo is open, you tap the three-dot menu or More Actions to reveal options. Choose Use As and then select Profile Photo if that's your goal, or pick Contact Photo/album cover as appropriate. Make deliberate edits. Crop tightly around the subject, rotate if needed, and zoom to keep the face centered. You do this to ensure the image looks correct in circular thumbnails and across devices. When the preview matches expectations, you move to Save and Apply. After editing, tap Save or Set As and allow the change to sync. This can take a few seconds to a few minutes across devices. Once done, verify in Google account right arrow personal info to ensure the profile photo updated. If you don't see the change, make sure the image is public to your account, clear the app cache, and sign out then back in to force refresh. If problems persist, retry with a smaller file under 5 MB or a different image format to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.